guys, welcome. This is Max with Isunofo. In this video, we'll be learning how to simplify surds. We are told to simplify 3 root 45 minus 12 root 5 plus 16 root 20. To simplify these surds, you observe that some of the surds here are not in their basic form. So to do that, we have to reduce each surd into its basic form. How do we reduce surds to their basic form? Look at the number in the square root 45. You are going to think of two numbers that whenever you multiply them together, you are going to get 45. But please note that one of those factors must be a perfect square. These are the few lists of the perfect squares we have. So you think of two numbers that multiplies to get 45. One is a perfect square. The other must not be a perfect square. So you can see that if you look here, if you look at this, 9 is a perfect square, okay? And 9 can divide 45 without any remainder. So when you multiply number like 9 and 5, you see that 9 is a perfect square, 5 is not a perfect square. So this is the two clear factors we are going to use. So we'll write this to be 3 root 9 times 5, okay? Then minus 12 root, if you look at 5 is already in its basic form, so no need of altering it. So we write it as root 5 plus 16 root. If you look at 20 is not in its basic form, so we have to reduce it. So to reduce it, we think of two numbers that multiplies to get the 20. One of them is a perfect square. So amongst the perfect square we have, the correct suit is this one, because 4 times 5 is 20. You have it as 4 and 5. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 is a perfect square. 5 is not a perfect square. So here we are going to say 4 times 5, because if you have it like this, nothing changes. So recall from the rule of surd that whenever you have square root of AB, for instance, is the same thing as square root of A times square root of B. This is the rule of surd. So we are going to apply this rule of surd here. So we'll write it as 3 root 9 times root 5, okay, minus 12 root 5, then plus 16 root 4 times root 5, okay, applying this law of surd. So since this 9 is a perfect square and square root of 9 is 3, so you are going to do 3 times 3 root 5 minus 12 root 5 plus 16 times root 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So we are going to get 2 root 5. So let's simplify. 3 times 3 is 9. So we have it as 9 root 5 minus 12 root 5 plus 16 times 2 is 32 root 5. So since you observe that this is root 5, this is root 5, this is root 5. So root 5 is common in each term of the surd. All you have to do is just to add and subtract the numbers that multiplies the square root. How do we do now? We start from the right. 9 minus 12 is minus 3. And minus 3 plus 32 is what? 29. You have it as 29 root 5. And this is the correct answer when you are told to simplify the whole surd. If this video is interesting, do not forget to like, comment, share this video to your friends so that we can help them to end mass phobia. See you in the next episode. Bye.